Hello everyone, today I will show you how to invisible or hide a checkbox border using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. And see this is my checkbox, and I'll only remain this check mark and this checkbox border and fill color not showing. Now select this form option and select field and click on this checkbox and select. Now click right button or on mouse cursor and select properties option, and properties dialog box go appearance option. Already selected this appearance option, and this is border color option, and should be selected no color, and select fill color also no color already selected, and select close and select hand option, and see this there is no border and fill color. Also select field option and select all of them border at once. Properties appearance option, select no, and already disable this fill color. Select hand option and see this all of the segment border now hide. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and